Imagine opening your laptop, typing just one sentence, and within seconds, a full professional email appears, perfectly written, polite, and ready to send. Sounds like magic? Well, it's not, it's AI. And today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence that writes emails better than most humans. Let's face it, writing emails can be exhausting, whether it's replying to clients, pitching to customers, or sending follow-ups. We spend hours trying to sound confident, clear, and friendly, all at the same time. But AI tools are changing that. They don't just write emails, they understand tone, purpose, and even emotion. So, how do they work? Most of these tools use advanced natural language processing, the same technology behind ChatGPT and Gemini. When you give the AI a prompt like write a polite follow-up email to a client who hasn't replied in 3 days, it instantly generates a professional email, complete with greetings, structure, and sign-off. Some tools even learn your writing style over time, so every message sounds exactly like you. Let's look at a few powerful examples. 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Simply type what kind of email you need, formal, casual, persuasive, and it writes a polished draft instantly. You can even ask it to make the message shorter, friendlier, or more direct with just one click. 2. Grammarly Geo. This tool is built right inside Grammarly. It analyzes the context of your email and gives you instant rewrite options. So you can turn, "Hey, just checking in," into a professional masterpiece. 3. EmailTree AI or FlowWrite. These are AI-powered platforms made specifically for business communication. They can read your incoming emails and automatically generate replies that fit the tone and intent. Yes, they can literally handle your inbox for you. But here's the best part. AI doesn't just write faster, it often writes better. No typos. No awkward sentences. No overthinking. It can craft messages that sound confident, persuasive, and perfectly structured, which means you spend less time typing and more time focusing on what matters. Still, there's one important rule. Always review before sending. AI can save time, but it doesn't know your exact emotions or subtle context. A quick human touch ensures every email feels personal and authentic. In the future, email writing might become fully automated, where AI drafts, edits, and even sends messages for you. All you'll do is approve them. But today, you already have these tools at your fingertips. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or business owner, AI can help you write smarter, faster, and more professionally than ever before. So, next time you struggle to find the right words, let AI lend a hand. It might just write that email better than you. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.